Alright guys, another day. I'm going to put some more work in on the car. I think for today, I might try to put the engine oil cooler in. So maybe I can potentially set the radiator in here. I might go ahead and terminate this at the right length. I still need to decide whether or not I'm going to run a bleed hole bolt and the temp sensor, or try to do two with just one port. Need to play with some wiring. I still need to fit up, make my brake lines. There's plenty of little stuff to do. Put my trans harness, alternator harness, all that stuff back on there. So let's jump to the time lapse. Get to work.
I feel like somebody's watching me.
I'm just shortening up my alternator lead wire. I don't know why it was this long and didn't need to be factory. Just routing, it probably went somewhere that I'm going to go to. What I was going to do, nice shortcut straight from the connector, right across to the alternator. And I had to steal the eyelet because I don't have another one. And a couple of years were already broke, so I'm going to have this steel strap around it that holds it, which isn't bad honestly, it holds it, but I'm going to solder it with your bigger gauge wire. Typically you can do, just a blowtorch is a little bit quicker than a soldering iron. So, already got flux on it. Now I'm just going to get it hot to where I can see the flux starting to melt. Feed some solder in, and the second the solder takes, take it out, dip it in the bottle of water to cool it, so hopefully I don't melt too much of the sleeving on the wire. Looks she took decently. Might put a little more flux on it. So you can see the solder went into the wire, but I want to see some of the connector, which is the actual copper part on the back here. I want to see that get tinned with some of the solder as well to know it's stuck to it. Probably wouldn't go anywhere, but better safe than sorry. Mix flux. Just paste flux, helps the solder stick to pretty much whatever you put it on, as far as I know. Rub it on there. Yeah. Get it hot again, hit it with solder again, then dip it one more time, and that should be good. Got a little progress on the car, still a little ways to go, but got some of the wiring, tidied up, shortened up that alternator wire that had like an extra foot for whatever reason. Battery's not connected. I think I'm gonna put some new terminals on this instead of just using this factory here like I have been. But I want to say maybe 80% of the wiring is kind of done-ish, kind of, sort of, not really. Still got lots to do. But at least it's all in its place for the most part. Just got to do final touches as far as, tying it up, making sure it's away from heat or shielded if it's by heat. I got, the lower harnesses on from the transmission. All that stuff's hooked up. Put the coolant overflow can in. And I think that's about it. I mean, it's a few hours worth of work, but it's all those little detailed things, trying to make sure you don't have any mechanical issues when you actually go to drive it. So, I don't know, we'll hit it again tomorrow. A lot of stuff going on this weekend, but goal for the car at least is I'd really like to get my mid pipe, tacked up, if not fully welded, but at least all positioned and just kind of, ready for welding. So, fingers crossed we get there. Until next time, see you guys later.